Welcome to Mobile Electronic Diagnostic and Best Car Fixes. Today we have 2009 Hyundai Sonata. The Blue Amoro is not working. The first thing we have to know is that we have to check and look at the Blue Amoro. Where is the location? And we have to get a wiring diagram to understand how does it work. This is the car, Hyundai Sonata 2009. I don't know from what year to what year, but here is the quick information. This is the car from inside with the ignition on. This key is open and controls the blue resistor functions. The power have to go through resistance 1, 2, 3, 4 to the resistance control module, and then from there it will come to the Blue Amoro. The Blue Amoro is located in this area. As you see, this is the Blue Amoro. It have one wire yellow and one wire is purple. The purple wire is a ground that come from the resistor through the switch selector. That means it gives more ground that from this way, from this place here. So that means it have two speeds. The switch there, it give you one speed, second speed, third speed, based on the ground that coming from the Blue Amoro selector switch. Now, the yellow wire, it has ignition switch coming from the fuse link number 40 under the hood. This one is supposed to have power through a relay. It will not come directly there. If you have a car and you wanna work on the electrical, you may need to get a wiring diagram like this here. Hyundai, Kia, they have a schematic, and they give you a good information how to fix it. So for example, this one here is a fuse link that feed the wire, but it's coming all the way to the relay. There is a relay, and then from the relay, as soon as you turn the ignition on, we have a constant ground here. Ignition coming from the EPS fuse. This fuse with the ignition on, it will create a magnet here. It close and it send power here. This power is stay constant, but it will send also power to the climate control. Power to climate control also. Then from here, the climate control will send information to this resistor here, and the resistor will increase the ground for the speed of the Blue Amoro. Right now, when I turn the ignition on, I suppose automatically I was supposed to get power into this. I supposed to get power here in this yellow wire, which is this pin here. You see, I use some pins to check it. So let's test it with the ignition on. Do we have power or not? I'm gonna get my test power prop. You need a power prop all the time when you work on those cars. So I have my power prop here connected to the positive side and negative side. Here it give me ground, which is good, and here it give me 12 volt. So I need the fuse that feed the relay is supposed to be 40 amps blue fuse, this one. And if you look at the wiring diagram, you see here it say blue fuse. You see blue fuse, this fuse here. Say 40 amp blue fuse, which means that this is screw here 1, 2, 40. When I check it by the glass, the fuse is good, so that we are here good. Another fuse is coming from EPS, which is ignition fuse. That one is a full power. We have ignition fuse here. If you look at this place here, if you take this piece out, put it like this, okay, it's supposed to be like this to read it, but go like this. So now you're gonna see 1, 2, and 3. That's the fuse. If you go here, you're gonna get 1, 2, and 3. You see this fuse here? You see here? And the top supposed to have power. Okay, this one is it. You see here? That's the fuse, I'm sorry. But why is coming 1, 2, 3, 4 fuse? No, I don't believe it's 4 fuse. Okay, let me see there. 1, 2, no, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, let me be sure that is. Anyhow, I have one fuse here. It showed me that there is no power. I want to check it and see how the numbers go. But I see that here, 1, this is spare, etc. Here, 1, 2, 3, spare fuse. No, that's not the place. Let me see where that fuse is. Yeah, this is spare. Is this spare? This is good, yeah. This is spare fuse. Spare. 1. Oh, okay. The fuse is EPS, not ETS. Electronic throttle is not. This is a fuse here. EPS fuse. This one. It's a 1, 2, 3, 4. And this fuse is cut. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4 here. You see this fuse? You have power here. It doesn't have power. We already know that. But do not put any fuse here till you have to know why. Now we have no power here. But where does this power go? Go to the relay. So we're gonna go now. We know that there is a relay and there is no power going to energize it. So if we don't have no power energize it, that means we will not get power on the yellow wire. We can get ground, but we cannot get power. So that fuse here is this fuse. EPS fuse here. So this is a relay. That means with the ignition on, we should get something there. If we don't get it, you see here now we should get power. We don't have no power. Do you have ground? Because the blower is not open. I'm gonna open the blower, at least 3 stage, and now see what I have. Just let me put it here. Okay, why not just put it back? Now you can test it from here. You see, I have ground. You're gonna have ground here too. The ground looking for power. If I give power here now, you're gonna hear the blower work. You see? If I added more, you see? It worked. That means the resistor section, the switch, everything good. But we don't have no power here to energize this relay. Now, where is the relay? Where is the location of this relay? The relay is supposed to have one ground, 2 powers, and one output, the yellow one. Where is the relay? The relay is located here. Look, come here behind. That's the relay. This is the relay for it. Okay, but guess what? I'm gonna try. It have a screw here. You're gonna unscrew it and take it out. But look at here now. Look at this one. You see here? One is ground and one is power ignition. And look what happened to it. So now we know that there is a resistance happens somewhere. Either we have constant ground, maybe the relay collapse and burn this one. Something happens somewhere. So we have to open all this place here and look for where they get touched and how far does it go. We're gonna try to check this and be sure that nothing get affected in the car. If the ground is stopped here, it's good. We're gonna isolate it and we're gonna run a new schematic, and we have to be sure that the short is not relay collapse or short supposed to be somewhere. So now we know what the problem is. Don't put the fuse there because you already have full ground here, and if this touch somewhere here, it will create another trouble. Hopefully if the short is only here, that means due to rubbing or wiring something happen here. So we're gonna look at this slowly, and then from there we will take our time to fix it. So we know that we know a couple of things. We know there is a blower motor commanded by resistor. Resistor is good because it's already received information from the switch, and change the ground level so that the blower can have high speed, low speed, medium speed. Also, this link is good. We know we have one fuse blown, and we know that the relay also is located here for this car. And then we know that if you need to work correctly, you have to have a wiring diagram. You can buy it. There is Aldara, Mitchell, even the manufacturer. The manufacturer, they have their own wiring, and it's so good. You click on any part here, it show you the wiring diagram, component location, all this stuff is available. So feel free to check them out, pay the subscription. If you are specialized in Hyundai and Kia, get Hyundai and Kia manufacturer software and the tools. It will help you a lot. Other than that, I don't have anything to tell you. Stay tuned, please, for the next video to check it. We're gonna open this place, open here. We're gonna go down a little bit to see what causing the problem and what the fix need to be done. Thank you for watching Mobile Electronic Diagnostic. Please subscribe, share, like, and see you in another video. This is Muhammad Harun Idris, and this one here is for Hyundai Sonata. I am not sure this car exactly how many car it covers. Is it 3 years, 4 years? I'm not sure, but I will look at it and give you the information for how many car you can check the same car, the same Blue Moro.